recently ordered the 2-pack of the AfterShokz chargers. Inevitably, I lost the chargers that go to my AfterShokz headphones, and I haven't been able to charge them. So this is a 2-pack. So my plan is to keep one with the AfterShokz and keep a spare just in case I lose it or someone borrows it and forgets to give it back. What I want you to notice is it is the USB charger, and then we've got our magnetic end here. The 2-pack does not come with a USB charging block, so you want to make sure that you have one. All you've got to do then is plug it into your charging block, plug it in, and then you're going to be ready to go. You just simply add the magnet on, and it is charging. You can see, just like that, the red light came on, and I am able to charge my AfterShokz. I am so glad that I was able to order a spare, and now I'm going to be able to use my headphones again because I've really missed it. So if you've misplaced your charger, no fear, there are extra charging cables out there. So I hope you found this review helpful.